Hi everyone, I am very happy to welcome you all to Dr. JJ's Virtual Academy of Commerce. In this video, I am going to discuss with you the advantages and limitations of standard costing. These are all a couple of details related to my career. After you watch the full video, if you find the video useful to you, give a like to the video. Kindly do subscribe my channel and enable the notification so that you will get the notifications of my new videos on the subjects marketing, accounting and financial management. Let us get into the topic. Advantages of standard costing. The first advantage is cost control. Standard costing is a very powerful cost control system which has been universally accepted. It involves in controlling and reducing cost by making a comparison between the actual cost and the standard cost. The second advantage of standard costing is elimination of wastage and inefficiency. Since standards are set for every activity to be performed in a business enterprise and specifically in relation to production of a product or offering a service, certainly it facilitates elimination of wastage of resources and avoid inefficiency among the employees. The third advantage of standard costing is norms. Standard costing provides the norms and yardsticks with which the actual performance can be measured and assessed. The fourth advantage is it locates sources of inefficiency. Obviously, standard costing points out the areas where operational inefficiency exists. It also measures the extent of inefficiency. The next advantage is fixing responsibility. Since standards are set with regard to material or direct labor or overhead, we can find responsibility is set for every cost center or every person who involves in the production process. Shifting or evading responsibility is not possible under this system. The next advantage is management by exception. Since everyone who involves in the production process is informed about what is expected of them and what is the standard cost within which they need to accommodate the actual cost of the activity whatever they perform, they all are expected and also motivated to perform their job without expecting any sort of supervision or monitoring by others. Therefore, application of standard costing leads to management by exception. The next advantage is improvement in methods and operations. Standards are set on the basis of systematic study of the methods and operations. As a result, cost reduction is made possible through improved methods and operations. The next advantage is guidance for production and pricing policies. Standards are valuable guides to the management in the formulation of pricing policies and production decisions. The next advantage is planning and budgeting. Budgetary control is far more effective in conjunction with standard costing. Being predetermined cost on scientific basis, standard costs are also useful in planning the operations. The next advantage is cost consciousness. The standards set for all sort of activities in the production process make the workers, supervisors and other personnel to become cost conscious and they tend to become responsible in all their activities. The next advantage is inventory valuation. Valuation of stock becomes a simple process by valuing them at standard cost. The next advantage is target mentality. Standards act as goals or targets to the workers and executives. Therefore, the targets act as challenges to be faced. This can raise the overall performance of the employees of a business enterprise. The next advantage of standard costing is delegation is easier. Top management can easily delegate work to lower levels because remote control becomes possible through setting standards for every human resource involved in the production process. Now let's discuss about the limitations of standard costing. The first limitation is it is costlier. Obviously, Installation of standard costing system is not really affordable for small business enterprises because it involves a huge investment. The second limitation of standard costing is that it requires a high degree of skills to set standards. To set meaningful standards, making use of scientific methods, it requires quite a high degree of skills. Lack of the required amount of skills among the human resources who involved in setting standards will definitely fail the organization in achieving the utility of standard costing. The third limitation is that periodic revision is a difficult task. When there are changes in the cost of the input, it requires revision of the standards. Revision of such standards is not an easy task on the part of the business enterprise. The next limitation is that incorrect standards may lead to labor problems. Obviously, the standards set should be accurate and practically possible for the people to follow. If incorrect standards are set for materials or labors and overheads, certainly it may lead the labor towards confusion and problems. The next limitation is that it is not really effective for non-standardized production patterns. If a business enterprise follows standardized production pattern, definitely it can enjoy the utility of standard costing, whereas application of standard costing is not really effective or not really recommended for the business enterprises which follow non-standardized production patterns. The next limitation is improper understanding over standards by workers may lead to negative results. If the workers involved in the production process do not understand the standards set for their activities, it will definitely lead the organization to have negative results. The next limitation is that difficulty over differentiating between controllable and uncontrollable variances. Controllable variances should be distinguished clearly from uncontrollable variances. But in practice, this may be a cumbersome job which leads to a constant problems between the supervisory staff and the workers. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have understood my explanation over the concept titled Advantages and Limitations of Standard Costing. I'll meet you in another video. Bye for now, everyone.